Can't even drink Cristal on this one. Holla. I got my gotcha 97 on right now. You gotta puff a J to this one. Can't roll a blunt up to this one, boy.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. As y'all can see by the title, today we're installing this wig from Alipearl. Y'all, I'm just saying that I just installed this literally just now, and it is so cute. I feel like it just speaks for itself. Like, super long, super thick, super curly. I said it in the video that it's just giving island vibes, it's giving vacation vibes. Like, I'm definitely gonna save this wig for that. But specifically, let me get into the details of this wig. So it is the Alipearl, of course, deep wave wig, 100% human hair. It's a 5x5 closure, and it is 24 inches and 180 density. I'm pretty short, so 24 inches is like at my waist, basically at the top of my butt on me, and it's curly, so this hair is long. So imagine it, you know, straightened out or whatever. So the hair is really long and it is true to length. It's a vibe, like again, deep wave. As y'all can see, the texture, I did just define the curls, but it's starting to dry up a little bit, and I've been playing in it, so you know how curly hair gets. But yeah, and yes y'all, it's a closure, so only comes to about right here, but it's a 5x5, so there's a little bit more room to work with. I haven't really worked with a lot of closures, but closures are definitely easier to install. I feel like they're easier to maintain because it's just a small space versus the whole frontal. But you know, I love both. They both really do it for me. But yes, so that is the details of this wig. I do want to give a little unboxing or whatever. So this is the bag that the wig came in. Cute pink bag. I love pink. And in the bag we have, I'm gonna just start pulling out stuff because I haven't really looked at it yet. So first off, we have this pink silk scarf looking thing to tie down your hair. Very cute. It says Alipearl. We have wig caps, of course, an elastic band. Love those. I'm racking up on these, y'all, and these are very useful, of course. Love those. An edge brush, can always use more of those. And last but not least, we have a pair of lashes. Cannot go wrong with a pair of lashes. That's what they look like. They're cute, y'all. These hair companies, the lashes be on point. So yeah, that is what they sent me. Thank you, Alipearl, for sponsoring this video. Thank you for sending me this beautiful wig. So yes, definitely shop with them. The details will be in the description box below. And if you guys want to see how I installed this wig, just continue watching the video. And yeah, let's get into it. Hey y'all, welcome back. As y'all can see by the title, we're installing another wig today. Probably by the intro as well, y'all already know what's going on. So I'm just gonna show y'all this wig from Alipearl. Y'all, it looks so freaking good. I probably already described what it was, but I'll say it again. It's the Alipearl deep wave wig. It's a 5x5 closure, so this is not a frontal today, and it is 24 inches. So it is long and it is pretty and it is curly, and I'm excited. And also y'all, the hair is so soft. Like, even when I took it out the pack, before I even washed it, I was like, ooh, this is gonna be one of them ones. All right, so Of course, I plucked it just a little bit. I didn't pluck it that much, so plucked it just a little bit and did not bleach the knots on this one today. Actually, I just went ahead and sprayed the spray that I always spray. I'll show it again. The Sally Hansen Airbrush Legs Tan Glow. So I went ahead and sprayed that in the wig, and it looks like it's gonna be good. It looks like it's gonna be fine. And then of course, I'm also starting off with my hair pushed back, a cap, have some makeup on that matches my skin, and yeah, we're just about to get into it. So the wig, it only has like the adjustable things at the bottom and then the little combs. There is no elastic band or anything, so I'm just going to go ahead and put the wig on and see what it's looking like. Y'all, I don't know if y'all see the vision, but I see the vision. This wig is bomb. Before we're even doing anything, I can already tell. Like, what? I'm sorry. It's eating. And it's like, what, September, October right now? But this wig is definitely giving, like, vacation curly vibes. Like, I would definitely save this wig and put it in the vault till next summer. Because, what? And like I said, it's 24 inches. I'm super short, so you can't see, but it basically reaches the top of my butt, and this is curly, so that's how you know it's long. But okay. Sorry, I got a little excited. We're gonna move into the application. I'm just gonna lift the closure up, and as always, I don't really like to use glue, so what we're gonna use to apply it today is the Got To Be spray and the black gel. So first, I'm just gonna comb this hair back and make sure it's all, y'all, even the hairline, it just looks so good. I'm gonna go in, I don't want it to be too glued down, so I'm just gonna do one layer of the gel and one layer of the spray.
So he treats him like he treats him better than me. She don't agree with him. She's mad at that. He's not having that. So those opposites attract like magnets. She sees more than a Benz wagon. The friends tagging along. The flashy nigga bragging on the song.
And once it's a little bit tacky, just gonna pull it down, of course. Sit it into the glue we just laid down and press it in with my comb. Alright, so y'all know the drill. I'm just taking this elastic band. Isn't it so cute? Little cheetah print elastic band. I'm gonna sit it right on the closure and begin to style the wig. I love curly wigs because they're so easy. All you have to do to style them is really just wet them and define the curls. If you actually want to do a style, then there's that. But yeah, I'm thinking just a cute little middle part, you know, baby hairs. Alright, so first I'm going to just make my part. Like I said, I want to do a middle part. And y'all, I told y'all I did not bleach the knots, but like this looks really good. I'm telling y'all, that spray and the makeup in the cap, I'm gonna do it every time. I also have my hot comb here, hot and ready. I'm just gonna hot comb where I made the part just to make sure that that's all flat. And then of course, look at all this hair, y'all. I probably shouldn't have worn black so y'all can actually see the, let me change. I'm gonna change my jacket so y'all can actually see the color. Hold on. Okay, now I feel like y'all can see more of what's going on. All right. Now it is time to start defining the curls, and all I'm gonna use is, of course, some water. I have my water bottle right here. I'm gonna use this African Pride Moisture Miracle Rose Water and Argan Oil Curl Mousse. Show y'all what that looks like. My handy dandy detangling brush. This is what it looks like for curls, of course. So we're just gonna get started. I'm gonna let y'all watch me do that, and then we'll continue.
Like magnets, she sees more than a Benz wagon, the friends tagging along, the flashy nigga bragging on the song. She gets a glimpse of Sean and she likes that. He two ways her, so she writes back. Smiley faces after all of her phrases. Even she the one, no, I'm caught in the matrix. But fuck it, let the fish burn. Red or green pill, you live and you learn. Come on. You gotta throw in your 5 minutes for this one. Can't even drink Cristal on this one. Holla. I got my gotcha 97 on right now. You gotta puff a J to this one. Can't roll a blunt up to this one, boy. What's your name? I see some ladies tonight, this shit be rolling with Jay said. Jay said. What's your name? I see some ladies tonight, this shit be rolling with Jay said. Jay said. Everybody's like, he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one night some. Now she.
Alright, y'all, so we just defined the curls. As y'all can see, they look really good. This hair is super long and it's really cute. Like, it's just giving beach vibes, island vibes. I'm telling y'all, it's getting a vacation. I'm gonna keep this one and save it because, yeah, and it's a closure. So I feel like, you know, if you're on vacation, like in a hot spot, you don't gotta worry about, you know, a frontal and it coming. Like, no, it's just this center you gotta worry about. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, I just feel like it would be easier to maintain, and it's so cute. Also, y'all, this hair is really thick. I don't think that I said the density. It's 180 density, so that's also really nice. So now that we got the hairstyle, basically, we just have to cut this lace off and do the baby hair. So let's see what it's looking like after the lace has set in. Yep. Alipearl 8 with this one. I got my little razor right here, so I'm just gonna take this and cut off the lace. Where is it? Because I can just swear to you that it disappeared. Where did the lace go? Stuff like this be making me want to do no baby hairs, but I'm always gonna do baby hairs. I'm sorry. Alright, so I'm gonna just pull these out really quick. And I'm gonna take my wax stick and just push the other hairs back to kind of separate it, and also in my part. Y'all cannot tell me this doesn't look so good right now. Like, what? Alright, I'm gonna take my scissors and just cut, snip, and I'm gonna lay them with this extreme gel. This is what I love to use to do my edges on my real hair and my wigs. So I'm just go ahead and apply that. And of course, with my little edge brush, just start to swoop these.
So he treats him like he treats him. Better them than me. She don't agree with him. She's mad at that. He's not having that. So those opposites opposites attract like magnets. She sees more than a Benz wagon, the friends tagging along, the flashy nigga bragging on the song. She gets a glimpse of Sean and she likes that. He too ways,
yeah.
so she writes back. Smiley faces,
Yeah. Oh my gosh, this was so cute, and I installed it so easy and fast. I love that. I love that. I love a good curly wig. The last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this Black Radiance makeup palette with a small brush and go into this middle color, and I'm just gonna define the part even more than it already is. And voila, just like that, we're done. Look at this hair, guys. I love it. So that concludes this video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys enjoyed watching me install this. Definitely, of course, the details to the wig are going to be in the description box. Website link, all the details, everything is going to be down there, so check that. Shout out to Alipearl. Definitely shop with Alipearl because look at the quality. Look at the quality. Thank y'all for watching this video. If you watched to the end, thank you. Give this video a like, comment, and subscribe to me if you have not already, because if you haven't, what you doing? Share me and share this video. Make sure you press the bell to be notified every time I post a new video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.